one makes two, but three becomes a crowd. Friends are meant to be just friends, and love was never said. You don't believe I really love you, I don't know why I should care. Often think about you, wish that you were here, but you don't believe I really love you.
For this look, we've added on to Ashley's day look, which she was going to wear to work. So we're building off a natural look. This is a look where you can go to work during the day, add a bit more to it, you're ready to go out at night. So for this look, what we've done is we've a bit more concealer, just under the eyes. And we're going to do a wash of a yellow. It's a semi-matte yellow. That's going to be on the brow bone and the upper lid. I'm using a small brush to blend the reddish brown all around the eye, creating a shape as you can see here. And we make it stronger in the inner and the outer corners. Then I'm going in with a matte khaki. I'm using a small brush and I'm lining the lower lid and the outer half of her upper crease. Then I'm using a mini blender brush to basically line the lower lid and outer half of the upper lid with khaki colour, also in a matte shade. Lining the crease with the khaki and extending it to join with that reddish brown colour. Just going to line the lips with a berry colour. And then I'm just blending that in to the lips with some lip balm. And I'm using a Bobbi Brown lip crayon in the colour Sunset Orange. You don't want too much here. A light bit of blush, just in a soft pink. The liquid eyeliner, very, very soft application of it. Covers up any eyelash glue that may be seen. And then we're just going to end it up with a shimmer gold, just in the middle of the eyelid to make those eyes pop. So every time she shuts her eyes, you really see that gold. For the second look we did on Ashley today, what we've done is we've done more of a warrior sort of themed eye to it, where we've used some khakis, some burnt oranges, some yellows and some golds. Just the earth tones. We've used some Bobbi Brown foundation just on the face, and that's on top of the Charisma Skin Tint by Lush Cosmetics as well. We've also used Bobbi Brown's orange red in on the lipstick there, but just a really light application of it so that it's just become a lip tint rather than a bright red. We've also used some Lush mascara, which is really good, and we've also given her a couple of individual lashes to make those eyes be brought out a bit more. So what do you think of your warrior theme look, Ashley?
It's deadly.
Deadly, awesome.
She walks on solid ground. She has a
This production has been brought to you by Someday Pictures and Jenstar Makeup. You can follow us on Instagram.
Make him beautiful. Gwabadabiny.